Have you ever wondered what secrets the night holds? Imagine stepping into a world where history whispers from the shadows, and every corner hides a story untold. That's what awaits you on our ghastly ghost tours. Led by expert guides passionate about history and the supernatural, you'll wander cobblestone streets under the moonlight, hearing tales of restless spirits and unsolved mysteries. Listen to the echoes of footsteps from centuries past as you walk through forgotten alleyways. See the world through the glow of our lanterns, casting long shadows that dance with the spirits. As you turn each corner, the air grows thicker with anticipation. Will you see a shadow move, hear a whisper in the dark? Every sense is heightened, making this an unforgettable adventure. But this isn't just about thrills. Every story is grounded in historical fact, carefully researched to pull you into the past. Picture yourself standing where a famous haunting happened, feeling the chill in the air, wondering if you're truly alone. Our tour unlocks exclusive sites not open to the public, where the veil between worlds feels thinnest. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, this tour will leave you questioning what you thought you knew about the world. Smell the faint scent of old stone and damp earth as you step into places frozen in time. Feel the weight of history pressing close, as if the spirits themselves are watching. Don't just hear the legends, live them. Step into a world beyond the ordinary and have a hauntingly unforgettable experience. Click on the link in the description to book your ghoulish ghost tour today with US Ghost Adventures.